Beloved, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. 3 John 1:2. Health is not just about what you're eating, it's also about what you're thinking and saying. Unknown. Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to talk about one of my absolute favorite foods, avocados. Or as I like to call them, nature's butter. These creamy, delicious fruits have been growing in popularity, and for good reason. They're like the cool kids of the fruit world. Let's dive into 6 fantastic reasons why you should be eating more avocados. First up, healthy fats. Yes, you heard that right, fats can be healthy. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats. The kind that makes your heart do a happy dance. These fats are great for your heart and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. So basically, avocados are like little green superheroes for your heart. So next time you're looking to boost your heart health, think avocado. Next, let's talk nutrients. Because who doesn't love a good nutrient chat? Avocados are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. They're like the multivitamin you actually want to eat. They're loaded with vitamins C, E, K, and B vitamins, plus they're a great source of potassium and fiber. Basically, they're overachievers in the fruit world. It's like nature's multivitamin, all wrapped up in a tasty package. And who doesn't love a tasty package? If you're watching your weight, here's some good news. Avocados are here to save the day. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados can help you feel full and satisfied, which might help you manage your weight better. It's like having a personal trainer in your fruit bowl. It's a win-win situation, delicious and filling. And who doesn't love a win-win? Ever heard that eating certain foods together can help you absorb more nutrients? It's like food teamwork. Well, avocados are one of those magic foods. They're like the wingman of the food world. They help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, making sure you're getting the most out of your meals. Let's protect those peepers. Because who doesn't want superhero vision? Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are super beneficial for eye health. Including avocados in your diet can help keep your vision sharp and reduce the risk of eye-related issues. So you can see all the amazing things avocados do for you. And finally, avocados may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They're like the bodyguards of the fruit world. The nutrients in avocados, like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contribute to a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers. It's like giving your body a little extra shield of protection. And who doesn't want to feel like a superhero? Now, if you're wondering how to add more avocados to your diet, the possibilities are endless. Seriously, you can put them in almost anything. You can enjoy them in guacamole, salads, on toast, in smoothies, you name it. They're like the Swiss Army knife of foods. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can easily fit into your daily meals. They're like the chameleons of the food world. So, there you have it, 6 amazing reasons to eat more avocados. And if you need more reasons, just ask an avocado lover. They're delicious, nutritious, and super beneficial for your health. Plus, they make you look cool at the grocery store. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick some up and start enjoying the many health benefits they offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's make avocados the new black. Let's spread the avocado love. Because sharing is caring, especially when it comes to avocados. Catch you in the next video. And remember, keep it green.